There was one that hit mine like 4 times. Dude, I can't believe one of my hooks is gone. Oh. I think I got one. Yep. Oh my gosh, it's a freaking baby. That's probably what was nipping at my topwater. That's why you always keep a finesse bait in the boat. They're tired of hitting that topwater, you switch it up. Nope, and he come off. Sweet. But still, always have a backup plan. We are hooked up. Got him on the swim jig. God, he's not jumping. I'm scared. This is a pike. Oh, here he comes. It's a largie. Gosh, I hope I can land this guy. Oh, I got him. I barely got him hooked. Totally gave up. We have a fish, you guys. Finally have caught a freaking fish. A little 2-pounder. Looks like he's got a little parasite on him. There we go. Oh, it's a big smallie, you guys. Oh man. It feels like a good fish too, unless I foul hooked it. Oh, it's a good smallie, you guys. I'm gonna tire this one out. That is not a bad fish. Let's get a weight on him. Please turn on. No way. Well, my scale doesn't work, you guys, but I can get a length on him. Comes in at 18 and a half. 18 3/4. And he's off.